Hey everyone, in this quick breakdown, we're going overall on the Venmo fees in 2025. What's free, what costs money, and how to avoid paying extra. Let's get started. Free Venmo services. Here's what you can do with no fees. Sending money with Venmo balance, bank or debit card. Receiving money, standard bank transfer like 1 to 3 business days. Using the Venmo debit card in most cases and purchasing from approved merchants. Here are the Venmo services with fees. First is sending money with a credit card, which is the fee 3% off the transaction. Instant transfer to bank or card, 1.75%, minimum of $0.25 and the maximum is $25. Out of network ATM withdrawals, which is $2.50 per transactions, while over the counter cash withdrawal is $3. The crypto purchase or sale on Venmo varies amount, typically 1.5% to 2.3%. Now, when it comes into the Venmo debit card fees, ATM fee applies if not using a Money Pass ATM and no foreign transaction support. You can't use it abroad. How to avoid Venmo fees. Use Venmo Balance or Link Bank for free transfer. Choose standard transfer instead of instant cash out, and only withdraw cash from Money Pass ATMs. And don't use credit card to send money unless necessary. Venmo is mostly free if you use it smartly, but if you're in a rush or using the wrong funding source, the fees can add up fast. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.